Ziko. Ndikulankhula mawu amenewa amaindaba kuti ndikumbutsa Malawi kuti mphamvu zonse ndi za Mulungu. Tikayika Mulungu patsogolo palibe cholephereka. Mazaza onse yanachiuta. All power belongs to God. Mphamvu zonse ndi za Mulungu. Mundilole chifukwa speech yangayi paliso ena akumvetsera pakanema komanso palalendo ena komanso ena akumvetsera kumaiko osiyanasiyana. Mundilole kuti ndilankhule pang'ono mu Chingerezi. Fellow Malawians, delegates, and honored guests, thank you for being here today. From the bustling cities of Lilongwe to the fertile fields of Mzimba and the serene shores of Lake Malawi to the highlands of Mulanje, we gather today on the edge of a new dawn for Malawi. As we stand here together, I am reminded of the resilience and the spirit of our nation, built by the hands and hearts of those who came before us. I stand here today not just as a candidate, but your servant and a servant of this country. I'm also a Malawian, deeply committed to building on the legacy of the past and forging a brighter future for all of us. Malawi is a vibrant tapestry woven with the rich threads of many cultures, languages, and traditions. Our diversity, our differences should not divide us. It should strengthen us. As our ancestors said, Mutu modzi suse zadenga. Mu Chingerezi, one head cannot carry a roof. Our strength lies in our unity, and our progress depends on our ability to work together as one people, under one flag. The Bible reminds us, blessed are the peacemakers, for they shall be called the children of God. Mawamenewa alimu Matthew chapter 5 verse 9. And the Quran teaches us, we created you into nations and tribes so that you may know one another. This is in Surah Al-Hujurat chapter 49 verse 13. Let us move forward as one Malawi, embracing every tribe, faith, community, united by a shared vision of progress and prosperity. Ladies and gentlemen, our economy has faced many trials, from droughts to global market volatility, yet we remain resilient as a people. Our farmers, who make up over 80% of our workforce, are the backbone of this nation, and I salute them. Onse olima amina kupanga za ulimu na amina kuthandiza kwambiri dziko lino. But they cannot thrive on outdated practices alone. We must modernize agriculture with irrigation projects, support for crop diversification and value chains, new value chains, to enable our people to compete on the global stage. By transforming agriculture, we will become self-sufficient, boosting exports and restoring the pride to our people. However, our challenges go beyond agriculture. Malawi's GDP, ladies and gentlemen, is approximately 11 billion United States dollars. To run this economy, we need $3 billion annually in foreign exchange. This is Forex. Forex is used to pay for essential critical imports like fuel, fertilizer, medicines. But currently Malawi only generates $1 billion a year, and yet we require $3 billion. So we have a shortfall of $2 billion United States dollars annually. And this is where the problem we have, which is having a huge problem on our economy. And is the main reason why we're having this foreign exchange problem and also failing to grow the economy. Because we lack the necessary foreign exchange. We are going to do the following as UDF. We will open up the economy to foreign investments. That is extremely important because we need the capital to invest. We need the capital, investments, and the expertise that it brings. And this is where Malawi is currently lacking. Number two, we will introduce incentives to attract foreign capital into businesses that generate Forex. Number three, we will eliminate procurement abuses which drain the nation's limited resources. Ladies and gentlemen, Malawi must become a producing nation with a focus on exports to generate the foreign exchange required to fuel the economy and create jobs for our youth. We recognize the urgency of attracting foreign investments. And when investors come here to Malawi under the future UDF government, we will ensure that there will be speed in service delivery in government and efficiency in responding to their needs. If we do not do this, we will not be able to attract foreign capital. And our foreign trade imbalance will worsen, and we will not be able to grow our economy and the current GDP. To our youth, Kwachinyamata, you are the lifeblood of this nation. We cannot speak of change We will not just speak of change, we will deliver it. We will expand vocational training support for our youth. We will establish technology innovation hubs and create opportunities for youth entrepreneurship. Our young people, ladies and gentlemen, deserve a Malawi, deserve a country where dreams are nurtured and not stifled. To the women of Malawi, you are the pillars of our society. Your strength sustains us. Our families and communities will ensure in the UDF government that you have equal access to business loans. Azimai akale dimpata opeza ngongoli ama business. Chifuka ife ya UDF timakulubirira kuti Malawi akale ndindalama, akale ndi makobidi. But not just businesses, but healthcare and leadership roles, by providing opportunities for women in business and politics. We will create an inclusive society that values every contribution. Our journey toward a prosperous Malawi cannot succeed without you. Amainda Bambo, no Malawian should suffer because they cannot access quality health care or education or basic services. We have witnessed for too long the impact of inadequate healthcare infrastructure, and we in the new government in 2025, we will act. We will build more hospitals. We will equip them with modern infrastructure and facilities. We will train our healthcare professionals to meet the needs of every citizen. Access to clean potable water. Tisaiwale madzi. Antambiri lero mizima akusowa madzi akumwa abwino. Komanso magetsi, electricity. This is a fundamental human rights and essential for the well-being of our people. Currently, too many communities are struggling to access these basic services. We will invest in ensuring that we expand the water supply systems, upgrade electricity, and ensure that every household, school, and hospital has clean water and uninterrupted power. This will reduce airborne diseases and the power shortages that often cripple our healthcare services have been impacting our daily life. I know we are running out of time, but let me just mention that one of the pillars of the UDF is education. We will invest in our schools and teachers, ensuring that every child has tools to succeed. With literacy rates among youth in Malawi at just 74%, we cannot afford to leave any child behind. And I want to ensure the immediate past President, Honorable Mai Lilian Patel, kutinkani ya school ya ulele ya free primary school education, tizapitiriza boma latu chaka cha mawa 2025. Education is a cornerstone of our nation's future, and we will provide scholarships for girls and boys alike because education is the key to unlocking the potential of our people. Amainda bambo nkani imene imandikudza kwambiri ine ngati Atupele. Chimene chandipangitsa kuti ndilimbe mtima kuti chisankho chikubwera chitithane nacho chinthu kachitidwe kameneka ndikatangale. Corruption, ladies and gentlemen, has stolen from us all. It has taken resources meant from our schools, our hospitals, our roads. Under my leadership, we will root out corruption at every level. We will establish an independent anti-corruption body and bodies that will work in partnership with our civil society to monitor government spending and the delivery of public services. Public service, ladies and gentlemen, is a right. It is not a privilege. Every kwacha of public money will be spent on public good and not personal gain. We must and we will restore integrity to our institutions to ensure that Malawi's wealth benefits Malawians. If we do not do this, we have a serious problem. I want to conclude with a plea to Malawians. My fellow Malawians, the next election in 2025 is not just an election. It must be a call for real change in Malawi. For years, we have heard promises and seen nothing. This is time for action. This is a time for a leadership that serves the people and not special interests. We need to build a nation, a Malawi, that works for everyone, every child, youth, the elderly, so that you can live in dignity wherever you are and that you can thrive in this country. As we move forward, let us seek strength and guidance from above. For I know the plans that I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans to give you hope and a future. Jeremiah 29 verse 11. And also let us remember that indeed Allah will not change the condition of a people until they change what is in themselves. This is contained in Surah Al-Ra'd, chapter 13, verse 11 of the Quran. Together, ladies and gentlemen, with faith and determination, we can build a nation that reflects the best of all of us. I, Atupele Muluzi, pledge to work tirelessly, to lead with integrity, and to be accountable to you for every decision, so that together we can build a better Malawi, so that every Malawian can stand tall. Young or old, with pride, to say, I am Malawian. Our new dawn, This is our time. Let us not just vote for change. Let us become the change. Let us build a nation where our children can dream without limits, where our people can thrive without fear, and where our communities can prosper together. Together we will make history. Together we will rise. Together we will build a new Malawi. Thank you. May God bless you all. May God bless Malawi. Zikomo kwambiri.
Zikomo kwambiri. Mmene alankhuliramo tingathe kuona chifukwa chake acheya aiopa game eti akanagwesedwadi. Mwana wa mkango manjamo. At this point in time, let me invite the immediate past president to come and do proper handover of power. Please, Madam Taberan Tsogolokuno, Madam Honorable Lilian Patel, Muzati Perekera mbendera ya UDF, kuipereka kwa Honorable Atupele Muluzi, Honorable Atupele Tsogolokuno.